Hello, it's Jill from Glimmerbug, and today I wanted to share with you a quick project that I'm working on. So we are in the beginning stages at my house of getting things ready for a move, and I have promised myself that I am not going to buy any more art supplies, that I'm going to use only what I have and try to dwindle down as much as I possibly can, because it's much easier to move less stuff. So I started going through my art cabinet, which is like a ton of different little cubes of art supplies, and I came across these canvases. And so, funny story, my husband, he knows I love art supplies, and he knows I'm like a crackhead with them. So he one Christmas he bought me a ton of these little tiny canvases, and I have, no shit, at like 50 of them, and he thought that they were like one at a time, like one package, but he didn't realize that it was like 10 per package, so we bought like 5 of them. So I have literally a ton of these little dudes. So I was going through my cabinet in back of me, and I found them, and I thought, geez, what am I going to do with these? So I started to think, well, you know what I love to do is I love to draw. I love to draw little girls, like quirky little, cute little girls, right? And I like my little girls to kind of emulate my daughters, my nieces, people that I know. So I started futzing around with it and seeing what I could come up with, and I came up with just a little idea of a little girl, and I'm not good at eyes, so I kept the eyes shut, and I grabbed my canvases. So I have, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I have 12 of these, plus the one I did. So I thought, well, let's do some with these. So now over here on this side of my desk, I have all my cheapo craft paint. So I have decided that I'm going to try to use all of these to create a bunch of different ones of these, to like a little series of things. So I started with one, and I thought I would just do a quickie video to show you how I did it, and then I'm going to do some more to kind of fill these in, and I think they'd be cute as a little series of something, and to scan in and use in different artwork. So yeah, so get your craft paint. I have got Delta Ceram Coat, I've got Folk Art, I've got Apple Barrel brand from, I think it's from Walmart, I've got Craft Smart from Michael's. I have a ton of different brands, and a lot of them are old, like they've been in my little spinny thing for quite some time. So I want to use as much stuff up as I can. So this is my goal, and I'm being accountable for it. So I just made this quick video, and let's get started, and you can see how I made her.